Yeah, when y'all put them on there, y'all tag me on what y'all put it on. That way I can put it on my YouTube and Instagram and let everybody know. Yeah, when y'all put it on there, then that's gonna be some more people. They gonna, oh, that was They wait. Okay. Brian Welch from TikTok. Hey, what's up with it, Brian Welch? Oh, he from Canada. Damn, they be smoking crack in Canada. I thought they was wealthy. Everybody was yellow like Drake. We got Kango Cammy in the building, guys. That's right. Well, it's hot out here, y'all. We got restriction 666. Okay, we got the Panther Piss OG in Detroit watching from Australia. Right line for the win. They got too happy over here. They must have. Hey.
This car, he sat there. Tell that nigga pay me my money before I be on YouTube. That nigga don't like to pay us.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
That one was fixed.
Hey,
Yeah.
Say, look out.
Yeah.
I hate a fixed motherfucker, man. That man quit putting that
Yeah.
shit on there, man.
Yeah.
You gonna get that motherfucker hurt saying that bullshit.
Yeah.
That nigga, every time that nigga lose, he thinks some shit fixed, man.
Let me see.
Quit putting that motherfucker on there, dog.
Let me see.
Cause I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Okay. Hey.
He think my shit fixed
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be on motherfucking YouTube. Hey, on my mama. Hey, on my mama, man.
Yeah.
He think my shit fixed. I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah.
He did what?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Redskins said he gonna quit fucking with Tyrone.
Yeah.
Oh, he got the hit. Oh, well, hey, what happened, man? He get the hit first.
He got the hit, he got back time.
Yeah, but he was spinning. This motherfucker still. He didn't even do like he normally race. He still let him win.
He said he was
can't
gonna
beat
let him
this
win
truck.
either way.
He can't beat this car.
Hey.
Fix that shit.
I just wanted the money.
Man, fix that shit, man. That truck weak. Motherfucker spinning and shit. This motherfucker still setting up.
Yeah.
That bullshit.
What the baby gonna do if you doing all the flying? What the baby
I
gonna do?
see some big shit. That was fixed.
Yeah. He sat there.
That man said that was some big shit.
How
long
he sit there, Tyrone?
Hey, that man
sat
took
there too damn long.
That man took off.
Hey, man, don't you indulge?
Fix that shit. That was a fixed race. Y'all heard Funky Town. Let's go back here and see what's coming up. your jam? Hey! He ready? He ready? Hey! Vámonos! Nitro! Mira, Nitro! Right line for the win. Right line for the win.
What they think they on the highway or something?
Yeah.
Big ass rim.
Yeah.